Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you through the pattern of the typing test that will be conducted during the skill test for the state of Telangana High Court and district courts. So make sure you stay with me till the end for all the important details. As you all know, the exam dates have been officially announced on the website. To make sure you are well prepared, and I highly recommend practicing your typing speed on computer for at least 1 hour from today. This will help you build the required speed for the test. The skill test for the copyist is 18th April, typist is 18th April, for computer operator is 19th April. This is for the High Court for the state of Telangana. For district courts, copyist and typist, 15th April 2025 is the exam date. Now, let me take you through the experience of what you can expect on the exam day. You will enter the examination hall after completing the ID check, and there will be a photo and thumb verification process. This might vary depending on the recruitment team procedure. Once all the checks are done, you will be assigned a seat with a computer and a keyboard. You will be given some time to familiarize yourself with the keyboard and mouse before the exam actually starts. The login process begins shortly after, where you will enter the ID and password. So I will show you the website where you can see the process. You go to Chrome browser, go to Chrome browser and typing text practice Ion Digital Zone. Open the first website. Here you can find mock test typing. You will get the same window as appeared on this screen, wherein your name will be mentioned here. Your photo will be here. You will be given an ID which is already printed on your call letter, and the password will be announced by the recruitment team, which you need to enter here, and then click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you will get this window. On this window, you will be given the instructions, which are very important. You need to read all the instructions given for the exam. You will be having the instruction. The exam will be of 15 minutes or 10 minutes. 10 minutes is the timer. And backspace will be working or not working. If it is not mentioned in instructions, you can already think that the backspace will not be working during the examination. You will be given 10 to 15 minutes to read all these instructions of the examination. After reading all the instructions, you will there will be one checkbox that the computer hardware given to you, mouse and the keyboard, are very well working, and you are ready to start the examination. You will tick the checkbox here, and then click I am ready to begin. After clicking I am ready to begin, one window appears in which the time left will be given here. a box will be given. This will not be provided in your examination, as the paragraph will be given in the form of question paper in the examination. The paragraph will not be scrolling the way you see on the websites. The paragraph will be given during the examination. A box will be there, and this is also an instructions page where you need to verify whether the keyboard and mouse are working or not. This might be of 5 minutes. Here it is 10 minutes. In this window, you can type and check whether the keyboard is working or not. You will not be provided with the question paper during this time. Only you need to verify whether the keyboard is working or not. I will tell the process again. You will enter the exam. First login. You will be provided instructions. 10 to 15 minutes instructions, wherein you will be given the instruction of time of exam, whether space will be working or not, etc. After this instructions page, you will be again another window which will be having a timer of 5 to 15 minutes to check whether the keyboard and mouse are working or not. During this time and before the instructions page, you can change the keyboard and mouse by calling the invigilator. In the second instructions page, you will be having a box. Insert one box will be given wherein you will be typing. You will be typing the paragraph. Some paragraph to check the keyboard and mouse. This will be of 5 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes based on the recruitment team. After that, the exam automatically closes and 5 minutes break will be provided before the start of actual examination. 5-minute break will be given. After 5-minute break, during this 5 minutes break, you will be provided with the question paper by the invigilators during this 5 minutes break. After break, another window opens, a box will be there, timer will be running, a timer will be there above a timer will be running, a box will be there to type the matter, and submit button will be there. As soon as the timer starts, you need to type the paragraph. You need to type the paragraph from the paper directly. The timer stops after 10 minutes. The exam will be saved automatically. So this is the process of recruitment. For example, you are facing any issue during the examination, system malfunction or shutdown, keyboard not working. You should immediately notify the invigilator about the same. If the system shutdowns, the timer will pause, and once you log back again, after allotting you a new system by the invigilator, you can resume from the exact point where the exam was interrupted. It is very easy process. You just need to be attentive as the timer starts automatically after the break. I hope this video helps you understand the typing test process better. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any more doubts regarding this, you can comment. I will reply each and every comment which will be posted after this video. Thank you.